So one of the things that you can actually do is crop out the video right from within Adobe Media Encoder before converting them. So to do that, you can go ahead and let's say, for example, import out a video that you have right here. So I just imported out a video right here. So now what you need to do is go around over here onto the export settings by clicking on either this or this right here on the name of the preset. So once you do that over here, what you need to do is go around over here onto source, and here you'll be able to see the crop the output video. Click on it, and then what you can simply do is you can go ahead and select out a portion right here just like this. So you can even go ahead and see like there is no proportion for cropping right here. You can crop it freely as you want. Apart from that, you can also choose an aspect ratio. Let's say, for example, it can be exactly 4:3 right here, or in my case, let's say, for example, I want 16:9 right here. So you can go ahead and crop it out as you want. So over here in the output, now you see a preview right here just like this. So instead of this one, like with the overall source, you'll be able to see the output right here. So let me just go around over here. And let's say, for example, I'm going to say out sample right here, let's say, for example, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save and OK. And if I were to encode it, you'll be able to see that the output right here is now cropped. And that is how you can go ahead and crop out the video right from within Adobe Media Encoder, just like that, before exporting it. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.